Hi everyone, yesterday my husband and I went to Ross and today we went to TJ Maxx. So I wanted to do like a little haul and show you what I got. I went mainly to look for a hair dryer and get dish soap. I usually like to get my dish soap from like TJ Maxx. I like to look for the more natural kind. And I mean, I'm sure they sell it at like Target and things, but it's usually cheaper there. So we went to Ross because TJ Maxx was closed yesterday, and I'll show you what we got. We got this big frame. It has the 10 commandments on it. My husband and I really liked it. I'm not exactly sure where we're going to hang it yet, but I absolutely love it, and I just thought it'd be cute. It's more like simple. It's not like too colorful, and it kind of goes with our whole theme. And it was only $20, and this thing is pretty huge. I don't know the size of it, but it's really nice and big. Next, I got these slippers. They're kind of like the flip-flop style, which I wanted to get for summertime. I usually don't like wearing slippers, but I've noticed if I'm on my feet for a while, my heels start to hurt. So I wanted something with a little bit of cushion, and these are only $8, so hopefully they'll work. Try these out. Next, I got this rug. Not exactly sure where I'm going to put it yet, but, oh, wrong side. But I absolutely loved it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell, but that's basically the design of it. I believe it was 5 by 7 dimensions. No, 3 by 5. It's really, really cute. Oh, it's sheds though. I don't know, we'll see. If I find a spot for it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll return it. And this rug was $20 as well, which isn't too bad. My brother and sister-in-law are having a baby boy, and I couldn't make it to her baby shower. It was last weekend because I had family and friends over. So I stopped by and got a couple things. I still need to finish, but I just saw a couple cute outfits. There's these onesies. I don't know if you can tell. These have stars on them. This one's just a gray one. It says, "Love me to the moon and back." And then one more, and this one I think is just simple, like a cute, like a striped gray one. I don't know if you can tell. And for, these are Carter's, size 6 months, and these were $5. So those are super cute. And then I got this other outfit, same thing, Carter's 6 months. This one says, "I woke up like this," and then it has like a little onesie back here with clouds. And this side is like a shirt and pants outfit. Super cute. And this set was $8.99. Next, I got some decaf coffee. Well, I think I might have to return this because my sister and I are doing this 30-day cleanse, and we can't have any caffeine. So I thought, oh, I'll get decaf coffee, but I think the whole point is you're not supposed to have coffee at all. So I don't think I could have this. So that was kind of pointless. Then I got this gold basket. It's really cute. It has like little handles to it. Really cute basket. And it was only $6.99. So I'll either put this in the office, because I have like gold tones in there, or in the guest bathroom. I have gold in there too. I'm not sure, but find a spot for it. So then today from TJ Maxx, I got a couple other baby things. So I got these onesies. They're Birth Bees. So one's like this, and the other one is like this. It has little blue stars on it. And these were $9.99. And then I got these cute little socks. It says, "I love mommy" on them. And it's a pack of 6, and these were $4.99. Then I got just like a Father's Day card, and these swaddles, these muslin blankets. They're cotton. There's 3 of them, and these were $12.99. And there's different patterns. I don't know if you can tell. One has stars, one's just stripes, and the other one has stars and some other shape and design, but super cute as well. I love buying little baby clothes, especially for my nieces and nephews. It's just the cutest. So the other week, before we had our family and friends over, we had to finish in our guest bathroom. We patched a couple of holes, and my husband had to sand it and paint it. So he painted it, and it wasn't drying fast enough. He wanted to do a second coat, so he took the hair dryer and wanted to kind of dry it, and he plugged it in. All of a sudden, it just like stopped working. Like on the lowest setting, and I'm sorry, on the highest setting, it was like barely blowing, so it just basically died out of nowhere. So we really needed a hair dryer. So I ended up going to TJ Maxx, and there really wasn't anything. There was only Chi ones, like the brand Chi, and I mean, they're probably good, but I didn't want to spend too much money. It's just a hair dryer. I ended up going to Target, and I got one, and I figured we'll try it out. If it's good, we'll keep it. If not, we'll return it, and I'll try looking at like Ross and TJ Maxx. So today at TJ Maxx, I saw this one, and I actually saw this one at Target as well, but it was like $80, and I was like, heck no, like it's just a hair dryer. I'm not paying that much. I'm sure it's good quality. But today at TJ Maxx, I got it for $40. So super excited about this. We'll try this one out and see how this works. And the last two things are dish soap. So I got this dish soap, the Meyer Lemons. So it was this. This bottle was $4. And then I got another one. It's a Naturally Danny CEO liquid dish soap in the lemon scent. And this was $2.99 for this bottle. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I normally like watching hauls, especially if it's like for Ross, TJ Maxx, or like Target. I like going to those stores, so I like watching those kind of hauls. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do a variety of videos of like cleaning, cooking, DIYs, hauls. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.